is Bill with Texas Storm Kenpo, and this video is to illustrate the proper way to put on a student's belt. Now, before I do this, I want to address parents. Parents, we do not want you helping your child put on their belt. The primary reason is it needs to be done a certain way. And if you don't know how to do that, you're not helping setting your child up for success. Your child is supposed to bring their uniform top and their belt carrying in their hand when they come in and find someone to help them. We will teach them how to do it correctly. But this video is so that you have a resource to start with at home, and let your child watch a video so that they can practice themselves. We know that the younger the child is, the more that you want to help them, but we have learned over the years the best way to build confidence in a child is to give them some responsibility, give them something to take care of on their own. And so their gi top and their belt are going to become those when they first start with our studio. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a length of it. Now, if a child has stripes, here's what we want to do. We want to take the stripes and put it on their left hip. Then we're going to go around behind them, and we're going to put the belt in their other hand. So we're going to pull it around again, and we're going to go around until we run out of the ability to go around one more time. Then what we're going to do is we are going to take the belt, all of the parts of the belt in the left hand. We're going to take the right hand and we're going to pull it up underneath and out the top. And when we pull out the top, we're going to do it gently. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the part that we put by our back to start with and pull that down. And our right hand is going to pull up, our left hand is going to pull straight down. We're going to try and take the slack out of the belt. We don't want it so tight they can't breathe, but we want it pretty snug. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the top side of the belt and we're going to go over and under the other belt. And when we pull it back through, it's going to make a loop. It's going to make a hole right here. It's probably hard to see on my black belt, but it's going to make a hole. And they're going to put it through that hole. Now we're going to grab both ends of the belt and we're going to pull it sideways, not up and down this time. We're going to pull it sideways just like the belt. Now, when we do this correctly, we're going to have two loops on one side, one loop on the other side. And then if they're a boy, they're going to put their belt on their left hip. If they're a girl, they're going to slide over to the right hip. And only black belt instructors can wear the knot in the very center of their body. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or any other member of our staff. We are here inspiring your success.